November in Grand Teton is cold, quiet, and absolutely incredible for wildlife photography. Today we're exploring how to find wildlife in these weather conditions, even when the inner park road is closed. With the inner park road closed for the season, you have to get a little creative with where you go and what gear you use. So here's how I view wildlife this time of year. Nothing but a GoPro, an iPhone, and a spotting scope. With Teton Park Road closed between Taggart Lake and Signal Mountain, the key is to stick to the open corridors. My go-to areas are the Gros Ventre River, Mormon Row, Blacktail Butte, and Oxbow Bend. These places stay accessible all winter, and they funnel wildlife like moose and otters right into view. Most visitors are gone by early November, but the wildlife, they're all still here and easier to spot. The snow in the higher elevations pushes the animals lower into the valleys, and the cold mornings create some of the best light you'll get all year. If you're willing to brave the temperatures, November is one of the best times to come to Grand Teton to spot animals like moose, bison, elk, and maybe even a grizzly bear. I've been to Grand Teton 6 times now, and each time we come here, come up and camp out at Oxbow Bend looking for the otters, and we've never seen them. This time around, the last day we're going to be in the park this year, and we came here and parked, and not even 5 minutes in, we spotted the otters coming out of the bank. 3 of them, 3 adults. They jumped in the water and took off swimming. And we got a little bit of footage, so you'll see that here in a minute. Here's a quick rundown on all the gear that I use to get the shots that you're seeing in this video. I don't use a expensive camera with a big long telephoto lens. All I use is this Vortex Viper HD 20-60 by 85 spotting scope. I got this from a buddy of mine for only $300. I pair that with this all-in phone scope attachment that I use with my iPhone and mount it all on this Vortex Mountain Pass extendable tripod. Thanks for watching today's adventure. Whether it was the otters racing through the water or the moose quietly grazing, I hope it gave you a moment to slow down and really enjoy the wild. If you like this kind of wildlife storytelling, hit subscribe and stick around. There's always more to explore out here. Until next time, stay curious, stay safe, and keep your eyes open. Nature always has something to show you.